across many different metabolic processes in many different target tissues, we see beneficial effects of ketone bodies. Now, many of these studies are done in rodents or in cells or preclinical models, and it's only now that we're beginning to get a handle on how these might relate to human physiology. But the point is that the potential is there, and over the next number of years, I'm sure we're going to get answers as to whether these preclinical promising results translate into real effects within humans.
One other really interesting potential effect of ketosis that's currently being studied in labs across the world is the potential for ketones to spare protein breakdown. Okay, so our muscles in a state of prolonged fasting or starvation, our body will start breaking down our muscles in order to get glucose to the brain. But if you recall, ketones played a really key role in avoiding our body having to do this because they were able to provide energy to the brain.
Beta-hydroxybutyrate impacts autophagy. We talk a lot about autophagy with respect to fasting and intermittent fasting, but what we have found is that beta-hydroxybutyrate actually increases autophagy. And they suspect that a lot of the benefits we see from fasting are due to the body's production of ketones. And that was actually what was happening, because people have been fasting for centuries, so there's a very large amount of research on fasting, the benefits of fasting. And now they're starting to see, it could possibly be due to the production of ketones.
What inspired you to research the ketogenic diet? When I first started studying the ketogenic diet, the research was very limited and primarily focused on seizures. Since then, I've come to learn so many other benefits of the ketogenic diet, including the benefits for the brain, how ketones are a superior source of fuel for it, and how it can positively help all of the processes involved in aging. Just by simply changing the foods that we consume and the ratio or even the timing in which we consume them in can drastically help improve our health.